Good evening, friends, and happy Durga Puja to all of us. And may all our dreams and blessings will get from Goddess Durga. So we are here in Hamilton Guns, and here I want to show you all a beautiful art and the design they have done. The theme is very beautiful, and it is related with us in our daily life, and it is related with the nature, the creature that God has made. You can see here, this is so beautiful here. The theme of this Durga Puja Pandal is related with the nature, and तपाईँहरूले यो साउन्ड पनि सुन्नुहुन्छ. You can hear the sounds of the music. It's very known for you all. It is about the birds. The chirping birds are there. Please see it here. This is Hamilton Ganj, and the name of the club is this. The organizing committee and the club members belongs to from the Hamro SANGH. That means our group and related with the birds. It gives a very positive message to all of us. You can see the bells. People, they are saying that it is high level decoration plan. Some, they are saying that the idea seems like from Kolkata. The work is done only with the bamboo and the birds. The theme of this pandal is about the birds, related with the nature. It is really beautiful. And there you see on the top of the bamboos a white house. These are the carriers of the birds. It's really beautiful theme. I like the most this year. It's really beautiful.